Hello students, welcome to my class. In last class we have seen that the heart is located in between two lungs, that is called mediastinum. Now I separated the heart from the lungs. Now you can see the heart. This heart is present inside a layer. That layer is the elastic layer and the tough layer. So this is called the pericardial membrane. So I am removing the pericardial membrane by using a scissors. So completely I am removing. So we can see the heart and the elastic layer present around the heart. Now after removing the layer, you are observing the heart, the triangular shape heart. The anterior side is very broad and the posterior side is very narrow, and some blood vessels are connected to the heart. And now I am showing the atria. So this is the left atrium and this is the right atrium, and the brown colored structures are called the ventricles, and the two ventricles are separated by interventricular septum. Okay, next so this is the left ventricle and this is the right ventricle. Okay, now I want to show you the arteries. Already you are finding one artery is divided into two arteries, and this is the second artery, and the secondary artery is also is divided into branches. So this is the systemic aorta, what we call, and the first one what I have shown is this one, which is divided into two arteries, that is pulmonary artery. So I will show you later these arteries how they come from the ventricles, because you are observing these arteries are coming from the ventricles. Okay, so clearly you can see they are coming from the ventricles, right? Next I want to show you the veins connected to the heart. So now I want to show you the veins and their openings with the help of the straws. So first I want to start with the left atrium. So I inserted the straws into the left atrium, nothing but they are indication of the pulmonary veins. So I found 3 pulmonary veins. Actually I have to find 4 pulmonary veins. And coming to the right atrium, I clearly found 2 major veins, the superior vena cava and also inferior vena cava, and thus I found 5 veins, and you can see those 5 veins with the help of the 5 straws. So these are the veins connected to the heart. So now after observing these veins, I want to start the dissection of the heart. So from the posterior, from the narrow part to the broad part, nothing but to the anterior part, I started cutting the heart, and with the help of the scalpel. So I started cutting, and you are observing I am cutting the heart, and so after gradual cutting I found 2 pieces of the heart, and I removed the upper portion of the heart. So after removing the upper portion of the heart, so you are finding the chambers very clearly. So I want to label this heart. You can see the labeling of the heart very clearly. Okay, so now you can see from the right ventricle I am inserting a straw, and you can find this straw is going into the 2 arteries which are combined with one another. Mean pulmonary artery is divided into right and left pulmonary arteries which supply blood to the lungs, and the pure blood comes into the left atrium. I have inserted the straw from the left atrium into left ventricle, and from there you can find I am inserting another straw. From the left ventricle the blood is going to the systemic aorta. All of we know the systemic aorta is having one branch with 3 small blood vessels and another large aorta. And coming to the aorta, which supply the blood to the all the body parts, to the posterior body parts, we know very clearly, right? Okay, so you can see very clearly the systemic aorta is divided into two branches, one to the anterior parts and another one is to the posterior parts. Now I want to show you the tricuspid wall located in the, so you can see very clearly in the artery. So this tricuspid wall is also very useful to control the flow of the blood. Okay students, right? So this is the external and internal structure of the heart.